Hi boys and girls, happy Friday! We're going to do our phonics lesson today. We're going to start out with rhyming. Remember, repeat after me, then give me a thumbs up if it rhymes, a thumbs down if it doesn't. Here we go. Home, go. That's right, it doesn't rhyme. Good, sit. All, fall. How, now. Pig, twig. Great. All right, our next one is our onset fluency. This is where you're going to tell me a word that begins like the word I say. So we'll do the first one together. Tell me a word that begins like little. Little, lollipop, licorice, lettuce. All of those words start with ooh. All right, next one, you try it on your own. Tell me a word that begins like big. So you're thinking for words that start with B. Tell me a word that begins with, or begins like, went. Tell me a word that begins like to. Tell me a word that begins like market. I'm sure you came up with some great words. All right, next one, you need your choppers out. We're going to segment our words, and then we're going to blend the phonemes together. So repeat after me. Go, go. He. Sorry. So. She. Show. Great job. All right, our next one, we're going to isolate final sounds. So this is when we're going to say the word and punch out the last sound. So watch me, then you try it. All. Market. His. Ate. Pig. Awesome job. Next, we're going to segment our phonemes again. This time we're going to say the whole word, then break it up into two pieces. All right, here we go. Bay. B-A. Say. S-A. Pay. P-A. Way. W-A. They. V-A. Awesome. Okay, next one, we're going to be adding phonemes, so you need your hands for this one. We're going to start with the end of the word and add a beginning, clap it together. All right, repeat after me. E. Add H. He. A. Add D. Day. Ooh. Add T. To. I. Add P. Pie. O. Add G. Go. Excellent. All right, next one we're going to be deleting phonemes. You need your hands again. We're going to be taking away a piece of a word. All right, so you're going to hold a word in your hands. Your word is be. Without b, what's left is e. Lay. Without l, what's left is a. Moo. Without what's left is oo. Toe. Without t, what's left is o. Sigh. Without s, what's left is I. Excellent. Our next one is substituting. You're going to need your fists for this one. Here we go. Repeat after me. Your word is home. Change h to k. Comb. Comb. Change k to f. Foam. Foam. Change f to d. Dome. Dome. Change d to Roam. Great job. All right, and finally today we get to hear the end of our rhyme for language awareness. So I am going to say the whole entire rhyme, then you are going to say the whole entire rhyme. If you get stuck or you forget, just back up the video and listen to me again, okay? Here we go. This little piggy went to the market. This little piggy stayed home. This little piggy had roast beef. This little piggy had none. And this little piggy went wee, wee, wee all the way home. All right, your turn. Great. Well, it's been a great week. Have an awesome weekend and see you Monday. Bye.